ride. Almost at the club, baby.
What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be changing the front brake pads on a Dodge Dart. So as you can see, I got the car all jacked up already. Got it on my stands down here, just to be safe or whatever. So now, first thing to do is, as always when doing brakes, pop this cap off, just so that the fluid in the air can come out while you're pressing in the pistons. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take the wheels off, and then we'll get right into it. Okay, we got the wheel off. This right here is a 14 millimeter. I'm gonna try to do as much of this with just one hand because I'm lazy and do not feel like whatchamacallit, setting up a camera. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this screwdriver in here, pry it up a little bit, get a little separation, push the piston back. That way it's a little free now. Then I'm gonna go ahead and crack this right here. Crack the 14 millimeter. Boom. And then I'm gonna rotate this upward. And there's our pads. I really do not need to change these now that I'm looking at them. But for the sake of the video, I'm just gonna let you guys know how to change them. So now I'm gonna go ahead and pry these out. Let me take it easy on them since they still look so good. As you can see, like I said, I just bought this car, so I'm not really too sure about the brakes, but yeah, I may just leave these. But yeah, so that's how you pull them out. I'll grab the other hardware, and then wait, here we go. Make sure it comes this one out too. And then that's how you remove the pads. You put them back in the reverse order, and I'll show you guys that. Come up here, pop that down, pop that down, and now I'm going to just go ahead and take this one and slide them right back up. Okay, so now to put the pads in, just simply go out like an angle. Most of the time that's what I do. Slide that in. Let me see if I can switch hands. Do the same thing over here. I go at an angle, get one side in, ooh, that other side in, boom, looking good. And then these are basically, this is basically depressed already. Let me see if it'll fit, and it does. So I'll put that back down just like that, and then thread it in my 14 millimeter. Make sure it goes all the way in. Tighten it up, and that's your pads for the front. So now I'll go ahead and press up the brake just to get rid of the slack and put the wheels back on. And then there you have it. Brakes done on your Dodge Dart. Alright, well that's going to be the end of this video. Now you guys know how to change the brake pads on your Dodge Dart. So if you have any comments, drop them down below. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and hit that share button. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace.